So, one of the heating modalities, if we're going to compare with the superficial heating modalities, mas deeper yung penetration as compared to the superficial heating modalities. The problem is, with regards to this Madea-term is that they have more contraindications. So, ano siya why it has become less popular because of this lots of contraindication. Okay, so sa microwave, so if we're going, again, as there are several models of microwave diatherm, it is just one model. So here you have the machine, you have the magnetron, then here you have the director or the applicator head of the diatherm. So director or emitter is director, siya po direct, right? Camera, lights, action. Or siya mo direct against the radiation, or siya mo emit sa radiation. There. So that is the emitter or director or the applicator head. And this is the arm. So arm that holds the head. So with regards to the arm, you have to be careful pag-adjust. So you can adjust the arms in this way. Kasi magbali hapon, table down. Or galing skeleton.
Okay, sir!
Oh, did you kumakain? Tarong ito pa.
Uy, dilig ito ang po, sir. Sisig, yun ato, sir. Always me.
Then here, you can also roll this one.
Char.
Like that. And then here, you can also move the head. Here. Okay. Natain na ito. Ito ang roll ko siya. And you have here the coaxial cable. Connects coaxial cable. Okay, connecting the machine towards the emitter or director. Okay, then you have here the adjustment. Okay, so this is your standby switch. So, standby switch means you can standby so you can switch it on. Yeah, so once you switch it on, that would indicate that the machine is warming up. So we need to warm up the machine so that at least when it emits or produce the radiation, more na siya nasa a little bit nasa maximum, but not maximum. You just have to preheat that one. So at least 3 minutes, i-preheat nyo. So after 3 minutes, you can now use the machine. So here you have the adjustment. So here you have the adjustment for the time. So going up, arrow, so it increases the value there. Going down, decreases the value. So mani ang display settings sa time. So you cannot turn on the machine without setting the time first. So if ever you're going to zero na siya, i-mo ni on, di na siya mo on. Here. So you need to set first the time. So usually the time i-apply here ka heating mo siya, so is 20 minutes. Now, so after setting the time, kita mo siya. Kung iba na ako sa kasi quarantine ko sa ice. So you can now turn this on. So this is your switch on and off. So kanina siya standby switch. So you can turn this on there. So naka-on na siya. Okay, so you can now adjust the intensity by increasing this one. So there, increasing that one. Dugay kayo siya mo increase, kaya kayo siya na may pag-warm up. So muna siya problem if di kayo may pag-warm up, kaya dugay siya mo increase sa intensity. So if na-warm up na siya daan, so mas pa. So take note that indicated among metals can tendency to accumulate of energy, so you have to move it away. Okay, there. So dali na siya mo taas, kaya na-warm up na siya. So that would now be the radiation. Ako lang ni kalito na because it's not that advisable to radiate into your eyes. So there. Okay, Okay, try to feel the heat. You can place your extremity there.
Puro si Violet ang mga kamot.
Compare with your IR.
Wala,
Mas
ilag.
init ang IR as compared to your microwave. Okay, mas comfortable ang microwave. So that
Buto.
sige lang. There. Please, nakaabot pa siya dito. Ay! There. Okay, so you're going to apply this to the part of the heated. We usually don't advise that this would be placed directly over the area to be treated for the reason na kung matagak siya, maigo sa patient. So we usually don't apply directly over the patient. But there are times that they are being applied directly. Kailang may gaan-gaan siya. Bukat. Umana siya ni Tingog kasabot, taya siya. Word pa. Huwag kang yung Tingog kasi siya word pa. Depende sa okay. Apa ba? Wala. Okay, so there. So if you want to decrease the intensity, or the heat there, initan ng patient, so you can either reduce this one or you can increase the distance away from the patient just to decrease the intensity. Is or niya siya 0 and up. Okay, we're going to have one application. Okay, what do you want? Okay, practice na niya later on ang low back pain. Sabi na tingin mo. Okay, let's just say patient is having ankle sprain without any edema or whatever. So, ankle sprain.
Go, Mark.
Okay, ankle sprain ha, ankle sprain. Okay. So, where's the patient?